Why women always come back after leaving a good man? They don't always come back because they miss you. They come back because they finally understand what they lost. Let's talk about something real. Why do many women leave a good man, then show up again months later with a "Hi, how are you?" It's not magic, it's psychology, it's emotion, it's regret. First, most women don't leave good men because the man is bad. They leave because they feel bored, confused, or think they can do better. Social media shows them perfect couples. Friends tell them you deserve more. Their heart starts chasing excitement instead of stability, so they walk away. At that moment, they feel powerful, free, desired. They believe better is waiting. But here's what happens next. They meet other men. Men who talk sweet but don't show up. Men who promise everything but give nothing. Men who disappear when things get serious. Men who only want their body, not their soul. That's when reality hits. They remember the good man. They remember how he checked on them, how he listened, how he tried, how he stayed consistent even when they were difficult. Good men are rare, but you only understand that after you lose one. Another reason women come back is emotional safety. A good man gives peace, he gives stability, he gives genuine care. When chaos enters their life, their mind runs back to the place where they felt safe. Not because they are evil, not because they planned it, but because the heart remembers comfort. Also, many women don't know how to value something until it's gone. While they had you, they focused on your flaws. After losing you, they focus on your effort. Funny how that works. Some also come back because they realize you were their best option. You weren't perfect, but you were real. You weren't flashy, but you were loyal. And loyalty becomes very attractive when you've been hurt by lies. But listen carefully. Not every woman who comes back has changed. Some come back because they are lonely. Some come back because things didn't work out. Some come back because they want the same good love without becoming better themselves. So if she returns, don't rush. Watch her actions, not her words. Has she grown? Has she learned? Or is she just bored? A good man should never accept someone who only values him when life is hard. You are not a backup plan. You are not emotional first aid. If she left you when you were peaceful, don't let her use you when she is broken. Sometimes women come back because they finally see your worth. But your job is to decide if they still deserve access to you. People don't miss good men until they experience bad ones. If this touched you, like, share, and follow for more real relationship truths, and comment real. If you've ever seen this happen, like, comment, share, and follow for more.